Eternal Blade, and welcome to the second part of the Ork Gunwagon tutorial. And before we get started, we actually have to create a Mac script. So to do this, go to Google, type in 3ds Max placement tool, hit the second link, scroll down, hit this link, and it'll open up a notepad file. Then go to 3ds Max, Max script, new script, paste this into here, and save it as placement tool. And just to make sure it's running, go to Max script, run script, double click, and you should get this. Okay, let's get started with the modeling. So we're going to start off with this hinge right here. So let's go over here, edge mode, connect, slide it up. Yeah, you want it pretty thick. And then go to this edge, connect, slide that one so it's about equal. Okay, put a polygon, bevel, 0.6 and negative 0.67. Bevel that one as well. Edit polygon. Oh, and yeah, before I forget, you might have made a mistake, as I did, where this was pushed over like that. Just bring it back over. It may or may not have happened. Go to cylinder, auto grid, and create kind of a big cylinder. Height segments 1, sides, put that at 18. Make sure you have angle snap turned on. Just increase the height there. And move it 90 degrees, and just kind of generally position it there. Okay. And we can actually decrease the radius a bit. Alright, convert to editable poly. Go into polygon mode and select both the edges. Hit bevel. Bring it back. Increase the outline amount a bit. Apply. Make the outline amount 0. Apply and decrease the outline amount again. Inset. About 0.5. And then extrude about negative 0.2. Actually, let's do negative 0.1. Poly, okay. That's a pretty good hinge thing. Now we're going to have to create these little rivets. So just on the top part there, go to cylinder, make sure on auto grid, and create something about 2.35 for the radius, and make it have 8 sides. Convert to editable poly, hit polygon, select the edges, chamfer, about that much, polygon again, inset about 0.66, extrude about 0.5, and chamfer using the same settings as before, and just name this thing Rivet. Okay, load up your placement tool, so Max script, run script, placement tool. Select the side, hit set select as source, pick distribution 1 and hit the rivet. And using hit place, and just click, drag down, and you'll have perfect rivets that, if everything works, should be on the correct plane. And there are 3 down here. Alright, close that out. And on the top here, there are more rivets, so we have to create a new set. Let's go up here, create. That's actually a little high. Okay. Convert it to editable polygon, edge, chamfer, rivet. Name this Rivet second. Okay. And load the placement tool. Set select as source, pick distribution 1, pick, place, and place these. They don't have to be exact either. It's an Ork vehicle. They usually throw things together anyway. And actually this one's a little bit odd. Move that one over. Okay, and now we're going to have to create the rivets for the side, which are actually we can just use the same ones. They're so close it doesn't really matter. So just create your side rivets, and you can place them wherever you want. You don't have to follow the pictures exactly. I don't think anyone will mind. Continue to place more rivets. They never end either. Alright, rivets are done for this section, I think. Yep. Let's create this little box thing on the top. You can close that out now. Make sure you save. And go to box, auto grid, and just go into the top view. And somewhere between here, go box. Make sure it's kind of lined up. Just do it by eye. Okay. Decrease the height a bit. Bring it forward. Maybe it's a little smaller than that. Okay. Convert it to an editable poly. And actually, press F3, select that, bevel. We just want to give it a bit of an outline, so kind of melds in. So just do that, bring it up just a bit. Polygon, edge, chamfer. Okay. And looks like there are 3 little spherical things. So just go to standard primitives, sphere, make sure you're on auto grid again. Just create a sphere, squash it down a bit, put the segments to about 12, so no one will really see. And then just copy it. Okay. Press G to get rid of the grid. And hit Control A, go to Materials, just assign it with gray material. Go to Standard, Skylight, and go to your render settings, Advanced Lighting, Light Tracer. And this is for just a basic clay render. Hit Render. Wait a while, and when you're done, that's what it should look like, and I'll see you in part 3.